1 potato here, half carrots, and a little bit of green pepper and cabbage, few scallion here, and fresh dandelion flower. I just picked it up about a half hour ago, and I'm going to make a brunch, vegetable brunch. I slice the potato. This is enough for 2 people. If you have good brunch ideas, I would like to learn from you as well. And half tablespoon vegetable oil, and checking to see, yeah, okay, I set the heat at medium high. Okay, the cabbage at the side here. Just have this. Salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon. I put the potato first. It'll give me a very nice caramelized potato. Good flavor, good taste. Then I put my cabbage there. Healthy food and also beautiful food as well. Different colors. And the experts say we should eat a variety of colored vegetables. And they all contain different minerals, vitamins. And this way we get a good balanced nutrition. Now we learned from the COVID-19 spreading situation that we really should eat healthy food and pay attention to our immune system. So I have green color, orange color, white color, yellow color, and now I'm going to cover it. Let it simmer under low heat. I like to have my potato cooked till it's give me a very creamy structure. So to get that, I use low heat and 20 minutes on one side, 20 minutes on the other side. So I'm going to just cut these flower petals here and put it at the end of this cooking to garnish it. This flower is sweet. As I learned that dandelion flower contains good amount of vitamin A. Vitamin C is good for us, but vitamin A is also very important. And vitamin A can help our immune system to build cells, immune cells. Generate more called killer cells to help fight for infection. So I'm lately I've been learning quite many things about what plants and fruit and food would, what do they do, what their functionality in our immune system. So it's always good to learn and to protect our own immune system fighting ability. And after all, it's our own health, our own body. And when you cook at home for yourself and your family, and one good thing is that you know what you put into the food and what you are eating. And so that's something you can get it by eating outside, and sometimes you really don't know if the food, every ingredient in the food are good for your own body or not. So also learning to cook is also fun. And but it is challenging to cook a good meal during this lockdown time. The resources are limited, and try this dandelion flower. It tastes very nice, mild and sweet. little bit ketchup will boost the taste. The potato is so creamy. Baby, brunch is ready. If you like this video, try this brunch at home as well. It's really tasty and healthy.